Welcome. In 60 seconds I'll show how to connect your Verizon remote to TV. Step 1. Turn on the TV and set the input to the correct HDMI. Step 2. Install fresh AA or AAA batteries into the remote and close the compartment. Step 3. Locate the TV's IR sensor or HDMI CEC port on the TV chassis. Step 4. Put the remote into pairing mode by holding the pairing button until the LED flashes. Step 5. On your TV open settings, select Remotes and Accessories, then choose Add Remote. The TV will search. When you see your remote name, select it and confirm pairing. Test power, volume, and guide buttons. If they respond, pairing is complete. If pairing fails, replace batteries, move closer to the set-top box, and try again. If still not working, restart the set-top box and repeat the pairing steps. For persistent issues, reset the remote by removing batteries for 30 seconds, then repair. Done. Enjoy your TV. For model-specific tips, check Verizon support or the device manual.